Hello, this is Kenji, and welcome to another Wednesday's Musings. Today, I'd like to read to you some information that came through on planetary miasms. And as you can tell by the current world situation, humanity is moving through these archetypal planetary miasms. We will give you some insights on how to work with these miasms as we proceed in this musing today. So planetary miasms are a collective belief in a certain reality that can be inherited by your generations. These miasms are hard to heal in that there is much force and energy in these morphogenic fields of collective thought systems. There have been historical ones such as cancer, venereal disease, psycho-emotional, mental health issues, abandonment, conflicts, and low self-esteem, energetic imprints and conditionings that have been passed down through the generations. The passage out of the Piscean age of harmony through conflict has ended, and a new cycle of the Aquarian age is planting its roots to be nurtured by the coming star seeds and way showers in all areas of governance according to planetary laws. This is a passage, a journey, and a transition into newness, the unknown, the void, the quantum that has no signpost like before. This is a journey of faith, trust, patience, and wisdom. In due time, in divine right timing, is the key to the great mystery of being that will be unveiled to all. It is not easy necessarily to break free of these collective astral projections and agreements. By agreements, we create our experiences on all levels of consciousness. Ye shall be known by your belief might be a new saying. Ye are known by your light, your presence, your knowing into realization. It is true. Be still and know God. So let us take a moment to center ourselves, to tune in, to let go of the day, to let go of your to-do list, to be clear of the collective astral plane and all the planetary chaos. And as we breathe into oneness, into that part of you that is called the high self, let us move out of duality and the old matrix, the old construct of reincarnation. And let's move deeper into the light, into the upper room, into the quantum. Tapping into your higher frequency light bodies. Opening up your Akashic records for the knowing. And imagine that you are viewing your construct, your earth construct, from way above, in a sense. That you are, as a spectator, as an observer of your many timelines, your earth incarnational timelines, your past life timelines. And also reimagine that you're looking and viewing in neutrality the morphogenic field of what we call planetary miasms. And for a moment, check in with your body and ask to know and to feel and sense any miasms that you have inherited through your DNA, through your RNA, your chromosomes and genes. So on a health level, it could be any number of the so-called diseases that have afflicted mankind through the generations, such as cancer, heart disease, mental illness, ADHD, post-traumatic stress, traumatic patterns that have been passed down through your ancestors, like wars and conflicts, slavery, imprisonment. On an emotional level, depression, anxiety, worry, mistrust. And on a more psychological and spiritual levels, low self-esteem, unbelief or misbelief of self in relationship to your embodiment. Religious dogma that has been inherited through the churches, misteachings, disconnection from nature, and on even a deeper level, disconnection with your embodiment, seeing the body as sinful, seeing the body as unintelligent, seeing the body as like a mechanism, a machine. Now, these are just some of the planetary miasms that are working through humanity's unconscious effort to heal all of this, or all has been called into healing. Let your body respond now. And whatever is coming up for you now, just simply breathe, allow, accept, receive. And bring whatever is occurring consciously and unconsciously into the light that you are, into the I am, the monad, your rainbow light body. We may call forth at this time the power of the violet flame to come into your field and your form on these timelines, to allow an upliftment and ascension of these heavy energies up into the light, as if all is being uplifted graciously and through the power of blessings into the oneness. And allow this to continue until complete. Now, coming back to your body and the room, slowly opening the eyes, continue to breathe. And for a moment, reimagine that you now have the opportunity to be free of these miasms, these collective thought belief systems that keep humanity in limitation, in bondage to the earth construct of reincarnation and duality. Reimagine and re-envision that you have moved your awareness out of the Piscean age into the age of Aquarius. Now, if certain people come to mind, bring them as well into the oneness, into the light. And keep your focus in neutrality, out of judgment and out of considerations. Move everything up into the oneness. For in this current new cycle of evolution for the planet, for humanity, for the nature spirits, and for civilizations that are watching the Earth very closely to see how Earth is going to navigate through these great Earth changes, to hold the idea and the spiritual frequency in space, if you will, that all is divine in divine right order, and that you are on your pathway to self-realization, that you are on task, on point, on purpose, that you are continually moving forward in your evolution out of these miasmic realms of distortion and heaviness, that you are moving awareness into the clear light of divine understanding of who you are, what you are, and how you are serving in the world. And when you have finished this little exercise, remember to drink water, get really grounded and centered, and know that you have all the love and support of the universe at your side, with you at all times. Angelic beings, star beings. And always remember that you are a starseed, a way shower, paving the energetic pathway that will help many into the light, into that coming home experience of all that is. So thank you for tuning in today. And for more information on our new offerings, please go to kenjikumara.com and check out our Awaken Your Higher Consciousness program and our new membership program called Joyful Creations Academy. And we do offer online events, in-person healing and wave sessions, secret hikes, couples retreats, all of those things that will support you in your journey home. So have a great day, and know that you are loved and blessed always.